Well, the question is describe a person who is dressed well. Who is the person? How he dress up? How he look like? Explain all these things. Well, I got a friend of mine. He's my best friend, Samir. He's quite fashionable. He got some unique fashion style and seems to have a sense of fashion because he always try to combine different color, texture, and pattern all together. That makes him fashionable. And he got a unique fashion style too. That's the reason I'm gonna always recognize him. He is a fashionable man. What I noticed that whenever comes in any event, he particularly wear that special event dress. If it is comes in event, that's event. If it is comes in official, then he go for official. If it is comes in any other special, he portray that this special particular party or things like that. It means he's always choosy, always picky to get something, more smart himself. That's the reason he's quite fashionable. Whenever I try to give him compliment on his outfit, he always try to give me some, tips and how to mix color textures together and makes more stylish because he is a stylish person. Dress is almost like eating. We shouldn't stick to the same menu again. That's the reason Samir is always dressed to the nine. Finally, I'd say his fashion and style is quite inspiring, or he's now role model for the most of our youngster. So I'm evaluated for his next episode or next fashion style.